How to set up birthday reminders on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom as shown. Select the contact for whom you want a birthday reminder. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and make sure the birthday field is filled in with the correct date. After confirming, tap Done. Next, open up the Calendar app. Tap Calendars at the bottom. Under the Other section, ensure that Birthdays is checked, then tap on Done. You can now see the birthday event in your calendar. To set an alert, go to the Settings app. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down and tap on Calendar. Again, scroll down to find and tap on Default Alert Times. Tap on Birthdays and choose how far in advance you want to be notified. A check mark will appear next to your choice, confirming the new default alert time. Following these steps, you can easily set birthday reminders on an iPhone.